What's up everyone? Les Alex back with another sneaker unboxing. Cue the intro. I have with me today the Rookie of the Year Air Jordan 1s. They are so buttery smooth. All right, let's get into it. Without further ado, here they are, the classic Air Jordan 1 retro box. Now, I did happen to get these in a size 11. I'm not a size 11. If anyone wants to do a size swap with me, hit me up, because these are way too big for me. But here they are, the Air Jordan 1 Bang Rookie of the Years. I love these. These are so dope. The suede or nubuck or whatever it is, it's super smooth. The leather is tumbled leather. From what I'm hearing is that it's the stamped leather, so it's not like true tumbled leather. That's kind of unfortunate, but I mean, I don't give a damn. It looks good, it feels good. It smells good. Hold up. Okay, they have the red laces too, so if you want to swap those in, you could do that. But the really cool thing, it has Jordan's Rookie of the Year stats in here on the little flaps here. Rookie of the Year, 1984, 1985, 2,313 points, 28.2 points per game. Damn, as a rookie though, Jordan, okay. And then on the inside of this one, it says, "This award is nice, but I just feel it is very important for each individual to go out and contribute to his team, MJ." So these are super nice. I really dig them. This was #1 Air Jordan 1 Cop of the Year for me. It was a must. They're buttery. So yeah, these are though, like I said, these are a size 11. So these are, I guess, for sale or size swap for 8.5 or a 9. I know that's money size, but still, gotta do what you gotta do. Yeah, what do you think? Is this the best Air Jordan 1 that has come out this year? I know there's been a lot of good ones, but it's definitely my favorite of the year. Let me know what you think. It's got the flaps. It's not a retro colorway. It is, of course, the retro. Inspiration behind the color of the nubuck is actually what he wore at his acceptance speech when he won Rookie of the Year. He wore this really ugly brown sweater that matches this nubuck color. So that's really cool touch that they put that on there instead of just making it like a Bulls colorway and kind of remixing a Bulls colorway, like an OG colorway. So I really dig these though. I mean, they're super clean. It smells like really good leather. I know a lot of people are saying this is the stamped, tumbled leather, but either way it goes, these are definitely my favorite Air Jordans of the year. If you agree, if you disagree, let me know about it in the comments section below. Let's have a discussion. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you dig the video, go ahead and slam that like and subscribe button. If you want to watch my last video, which was a Yeezy unboxing of the Zebras, the best colorway, go ahead right up here. There'll be a card. Y'all have a good one. I'll see you next time.